Who generally determines the scale for maps? A. Cartographers. B. Architects. C. Geologists. D. Surveyors. The correct answer is A. Cartographers. What is the northern hemisphere called due to its land and water distribution? A. The continental hemisphere. B. The water hemisphere. C. The land hemisphere. D. The oceanic hemisphere. The correct answer is C. The land hemisphere. What is one of the important phases of the hydrological cycle that describes water flowing over land surfaces? A. Evapotranspiration. B. Sublimation. C. Runoff. D. Condensation. The correct answer is C. Runoff. What term describes air with little or no sunlight? A. Pressure. B. Temperature. C. Precipitation. D. Humidity. The correct answer is B. Temperature. North America lies entirely in which hemisphere longitudinally? A. Northern Hemisphere. B. Eastern Hemisphere. C. Western Hemisphere. D. Southern Hemisphere. The correct answer is C. Western Hemisphere. Which animals are typically found in the tundra region? A. Monkeys and parrots. B. Reindeer, musk ox, and polar bears. C. Kangaroos and koalas. D. Lions and zebras. The correct answer is B. Reindeer, musk ox, and polar bears. What is the name of the lake mentioned in the text? A. Wooler Lake. B. Chilka Lake. C. Sambhar Lake. D. Dal Lake. The correct answer is B. Chilka Lake. Which hospital is mentioned as ESI Hospital Madurai? A. Madurai Madurai. B. Vaggi Hospital. C. Government Tamil Nadu Hospital. D. Kudal Algar Government Hospital. The correct answer is A. Madurai Madurai. Which of the following is an example of a cave mentioned in the text? A. Bhimbetka Caves. B. Ajanta Caves. C. Ellora Caves. D. Guptadham Caves. The correct answer is D. Guptadham Caves. Morocco, Algeria, Libya, Mauritania, and Tunisia are collectively referred to as countries in which region? A. North Africa. B. East Africa. C. West Africa. D. Central Africa. The correct answer is A. North Africa. What is defined as the relationship between one house or building to another? A. Local weather condition. B. Economic condition. C. Social organization. D. Pattern of settlement. The correct answer is D. Pattern of settlement. M. Hussein's 2008 publication is titled what? A. Geography of India. B. Indian monsoons. C. Vegetation zones. D. India's climate patterns. The correct answer is A. Geography of India. How is the density of population expressed? A. Total population per city. B. Number of persons per sq kilometer. C. Percentage of population growth. D. Average household size. The correct answer is B. Number of persons per sq kilometer. Which category includes all living resources? A. Localized resources. B. Abiotic resources. C. Non-renewable resources. D. Biotic resources. The correct answer is D. Biotic resources. What is one of the types of migration mentioned that requires explanation? A. Voluntary migration. B. Forced migration. C. Internal migration. D. Different types of migration. The correct answer is D. Different types of migration. Which term is used to describe the Serengeti Plain due to its animal diversity? A. The open-air zoo. B. The animal kingdom. C. The wild frontier. D. The green oasis. The correct answer is A. The open-air zoo. What is another name for marine fishing? A. Inland fishing. B. Inshore fish or neritic fishing. C. Deep-sea trolling. D. Freshwater fishing. The correct answer is B. Inshore fish or neritic fishing. Trading from Allangadi occurred in which city? A. Kanchipuram. B. Kijdi. C. Pumpuhar. D. Madurai. The correct answer is D. Madurai. What is one of the learning objectives for the Disaster Management Unit? A. To know the phases of disaster management. B. To analyze economic indicators. C. To understand ancient civilizations. D. To identify global climate patterns. The correct answer is A. To know the phases of disaster management. Which of the following is not listed as one of the continents? A. Africa. B. Greenland. C. South America. D. Antarctica. The correct answer is B. Greenland. What are the broken sections of the lithosphere called? A. Mantle plates. B. Asthenospheric plates. C. Core plates. D. Tectonic plates. The correct answer is D. Tectonic plates. Which of these is considered an old-fold mountain range in North America? A. Cascade Range. B. Appalachian Mountains. C. Rocky Mountains. D. Sierra Nevada. The correct answer is B. Appalachian Mountains. Besides communication, in which other application are INSAT series satellites useful? A. Designing computer networks. B. Weather detection. C. Creating social media platforms. D. Developing new internet protocols. The correct answer is B. Weather detection. Where are the Palani Hills located? A. Lindigul District. B. Coimbatore District. C. Kodaikanal District. D. Madurai District. The correct answer is A. Dindigul District. Where do large numbers of houses in a compact settlement tend to be built? A. Along mountain ridges. B. Very close to each other. C. Dispersed over a large area. D. Far apart from each other. The correct answer is B. Very close to each other. What color code is used for land or earth features like contour lines on maps? A. Brown. B. Red. C. Green. D. Blue. The correct answer is A. Brown. Which country is home to the Taj Mahal, one of the 7 wonders of the world? A. China. B. India. C. Cambodia. D. Yemen. The correct answer is B. India. What characteristic describes Abrak, a good quality mica? A. Conductive and molten. B. Magnetic and heavy. C. Translucent and easily splittable. D. Opaque and brittle. The correct answer is C. Translucent and easily splittable. Which of the following is listed as a major international airport in India? A. Petroleum. B. NH44. C. Mumbai. D. Hyderabad. The correct answer is D. Hyderabad. Which of these seabirds is mentioned as living in the Antarctic region? A. Puffin. B. Albatross. C. Pelican. D. Gull. The correct answer is B. Albatross. How did you score?